Okay.
My big foot.
We're live with our patient Gonzo, who's wearing green Converse All-Star, also known as Chuck Taylor's. Are you okay if we video your procedure for all our friends on YouTube?
Of course.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Are you going to assist with your own procedure?
If I have to?
You do.
Okay, then yeah.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.
I'm a retired Army veteran and I lost 10 pounds and I feel great. All that stuff on the shelf I've tried, but this actually really works.
All right. You love your Meta 7, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just got another bottle.
Good deal. Let me ask you this. You said your wife's taking it too.
Yeah, my wife started taking my medication and I'm out early, so I have to get another one.
She likes it as well.
Yes, my wife loves it.
Awesome.
She's on board.
Doesn't make you jittery or shaky or anything like that?
Not at all. It gives you energy that you need to get through the day.
Fantastic. Man, I appreciate it. Thanks.
You're gonna love it. Try it.